In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hand over your site to clients using Wix Studio. This process is vital if you've built a website for someone else, and now it's time to pass the baton so they can manage it independently. Whether you're a professional web designer or you've built a site for a friend, these steps will help you transfer ownership smoothly and securely. So, let's start by going to the Wix Studio homepage. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the Site Actions. This is where you'll find all the options to manage your website. If you look closely, you'll see a button labeled Transfer Site. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the process of transferring the site to your client. Now, the next step is crucial. You have to enter your client's email address. Make sure it's the correct one, since this is where all the notifications and future management links will be sent. After typing the email, you'll see a list. Find your client in that list and click on their name. This step ensures that you're transferring the site to the correct person. Once you have selected the client, there are a couple of confirmations along the way. You'll notice a button labeled Continue. Click on it to proceed. And yes, after you click Continue the first time, you'll need to do it again when prompted. It's a simple step, but an important one to confirm that you want to go through with the transfer. Finally, after these confirmations, you'll reach the last step, which is to click on Transfer Ownership. This final action completes the transfer process. At this point, your client will receive an email notification about the transfer. They will follow a few instructions on their end to accept the ownership of the site. This is when the management of the site officially transitions from you to their capable hands. And that's it. Those are the steps required to hand over a website to a client using Wix Studio. I hope this guide was helpful to you. Remember, this process empowers your clients to maintain their websites independently, which is a big step towards growing their online presence. You've done the hard part in building the site, so rest assured that this handover is a seamless process that allows them to take charge with confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials to keep you ahead of the curve. See you in the next video.